aware that there are legit websites where you can write short stories and get paid? Yeah, these websites pay as high as $100 to $300 for each story that you publish on their website. And these are not long novels, they are not long complicated books. Rather, they are simple stories that you can write in less than 30 minutes. If you publish it on these websites and they review it and accept it, okay, they will pay you for each of them. They can pay as high as 200, 250 to 300, depending on the website, and also depending on the type of story that you are publishing, whether it's a fiction or emotional romance, depending on the kind of story that you are publishing and the platform. Okay, and these are what we are going to be discussing in this video today. To get started on these websites I'm going to be revealing to you in this video, right? You don't need to be a professional writer, and you can even utilize ChatGPT or any AI platform to write these stories and get paid for these stories that you did not even write by yourself. All you just need to do is to give AI these prompts and they write the story for you. You edit it on your Google Doc and you submit it on this website. If they accept it, they pay you for each of them. Okay, once they are publishing this story on their website, they are definitely going to pay you money for it. You will not submit your story to them and maybe after some days you come back and see that they published it without paying you. No, as long as they accept your story, they must pay you for it. And the best part is that you can submit these stories from any part of the world: Africa, Asia, Europe, any part of the world at all. Okay, so if this sounds like what you are interested in, all you have to do is stay true to the end of this video. In this video today, we are going to be discussing 5 legit websites where you can write short stories and get paid, even if you're a beginner. And we are going to be covering each of these websites, how much they pay, the kind of stories that they accept, how you can write these stories, and how you can humanize it. You're going to be using AI. I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to write the stories. So after using ChatGPT to write it, you need to humanize it. Even as you are writing it with ChatGPT, there is prompts that you give it and need to write it to look like as if is a human being that wrote it, because these websites, they don't actually want you to be giving them AI contents, right? AI stories. They want it to sound like a human. Okay, so that is the reason why you need to actually humanize this content. Before we actually jump in right into what we're here for today, it is important that you smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop more educative videos like this one you're about to watch now, YouTube will notify you instantly. All right, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Okaformarycynthiakafy, and on this channel I talk about make money online, digital skills, remote jobs, and everything that you need to actually start making money from the comfort of your home. To my returning viewers, thank you so much for always supporting me. I see your likes, I see your comments, and I appreciate that so much. So let's get in right into what we're here for today. I'm going to be sharing my screen. I'm going to be showing you each and every of these websites, and we're going to review it together. I'm going to be showing you where you click to actually submit your stories, the ones that are currently accepting stories, and the ones that you need to wait till a certain time to submit stories on their website. So let's get in right into it. The first site we have on our list is Clarkesworld Magazine. So this is it on my screen right here. Clarkesworld Magazine is a story website where people come to publish different stories and they get paid for that. For you to get started on this website, all you just have to do is come to their website. This is the URL. You can see it right here on my screen, and you click on submissions. You can see submissions boldly on the site. Click on submissions. When you click on submissions, it's always important that you read their terms and conditions, read how you are going to get paid before you actually start creating your profile and publishing your stories on this website. So this is it. Clarkesworld Magazine is a Hugo, World Fancy, and British Fancy award-winning science fiction and fancy magazine that publishes short stories, interviews, articles, and audio fictions. Okay, so you can see issues are published monthly and available on our website for purchase in ebook format and via electronic. So you can see they also sell some of these things. Their word limit is 1,000 to 2,000 words, no exceptions. Okay, to 22,000 words rather. Okay, and they pay £14 per word. Payment is via PayPal or check. That is for international authors. Okay, so you can see um they do science fictions and fancy, no horror, dark SF and F is permitted. Okay, so you can see English, they accept English. We accept stories from all over the world. Translations are welcome and encouraged, even if the work has been previously published in another language. You can see, and rights. We first claim word electronic rights, text and audio, first print, and all of that. So when you finish reading it, your stories must be well written and convenient for on-screen reading. Okay, that is where formatting comes in. All right, suitable for audio format. That is, your story should be able to be turned into audio format and enjoyed in that format. So you can see these are the kind of stories that they enjoy. All right, fiction submission processes. You go ahead and read all these things. We are not going to be reviewing all of them in this video because we don't have such time. Okay, so you take a look at their confidentiality and so on and so forth. So you can see non-fiction guides. This is a lot. You read everything. After reading everything and it aligns with you, you think is what you can do, you create your account and get started, write your stories. And by the end of me showing you these 5 sites, I'm also going to show you how you can write the stories like I promised. Okay, so that is the first one. The second one we'll have on our list is east of the web. Okay, so let's go there. So this is east of the web. You can click on the about to read more about it, but what I'm going to be showing you is actually how you can submit your stories on this website so that I can make this video as short as possible. So you scroll down to the end of the page. When you scroll down to the end of the page, you're going to see submissions. You're going to read how to submit and so on and so forth. Okay, so you click on submissions, how to submit rather. Click on how to submit. So these are the questions some regular writers ask. What opportunities does east of the web offer writers? You can read through everything. We're not going to be reading through all of this right here. Can go there, east of the web. I'm going to try as much as possible to put the links of all the sites on the comment section or on the description of this video. Okay, so you can read. After reading everything and you are interested, you create your profile and you start submitting your stories. So that is that about the second one. The third one we have on our list is Barrelhouse Magazine. Okay, so basically this is it. We are literally an organization that puts out a print magazine, runs a small press, organizes the writers conference, and so on and so forth. So this is it. Um, so to get started on this website, you can read more. I'm not going to be reading all of that in this video because we don't want it to be so long. Now, to get started, all you just have to do is to click on submissions. This is it here. Click on submissions. Thank you for thinking of us as a home for your work. You can see we are currently open for book reviews and so on and so forth. Just read through. If you are interested, stay up to date on current, you can sign up and get started. Have to first create an account on their website to actually get started. Okay, so that is that. The fourth one we have on our list is one story. You can see it here, one story. The third one we have, fourth one rather, is one story. So you can see it. One story began in 2001. Marycynthia and saw short stories disappearing from high profile print publications, smaller reach really magazine folding, and so on and so forth. So you can see this is it. So get started, you can see this is the about, read, write, learn. So you can click on write. When you click on write, you're going to see submit a story, wanting story contest. They do contest too, or you want to take a class. So this is it. If you are interested in submitting a story, you click on submit a story. So you can see submissions are closed for now. Yeah, till spring. Okay, so this is it. How do I submit to one story? See it. You read more to get more details about them. Okay, if you also read, you're going to see how much they pay and the number of words that they accept. We strongly prefer PDS. So that is why I said it's important that you always read through to see what each of these websites accept. Okay, so that is it. um the fifth one we have on our list is Vestal review. Okay, so this is it. The longest running flash fiction magazine on the planet. You can click to read more. We're not going to be doing that. Okay, so you can see home, current issue, about. So when you click on about, you're going to see their submission guidelines and so on and so forth. You can go down, see reviews and interviews, about, submission guidelines. So let's click on submission guidelines. You read through the submission guidelines. After reading through the submission guidelines and you are interested, it's important that you click read everything that is required of you. When you are done reading the submission guidelines, you click on submit. This is when you already have a story that you want to submit. Okay, so this is the five story sites that actually pay you to publish short stories on their platform. So here, these people actually accept three different kinds of, they accept proposals, interview proposals, okay, flash fiction, and review proposals. Okay, so that is it. So let's say that the one you have is flash fiction book list, so you can come here, click on submit. Depending on what you have, you submit it. The next phase of this video is to show you how you can actually write these short stories. Okay, so I'm going to be using ChatGPT for that, and all you just have to do is go to ChatGPT, tell it to write a story on a particular maybe topic or a particular kind of story for you, and it's going to give you different variations of that story. I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with that, and I will even show you how you can use ChatGPT to get ideas of the kind of stories that you want to write. So let's go to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT, right? Yeah. So we type in um whenever I want to prompt ChatGPT, I always try to, communicate with it like as if I'm communicating with someone. All right. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I want to start publishing short stories on sites like, let's say, one story, where they pay writers for their stories. Can you give me uh, 10 story ideas that I can write? And I will allow ChatGPT to do its work. Okay, so you can see ChatGPT have given us 10 stories, 10 short story ideas that we can write. Okay, so these are now. ChatGPT is even also asking you if you want, they can expand the idea into a full plot for you, outline. So now you don't need to use exactly what ChatGPT have given you here. Okay, depending on what each of the sites that you are using wants, what you have to do is, let's say you want to use this story, let's say you want to use this one. Okay, so now you copy this. When you copy it, you come back to ChatGPT and you paste it. Before you paste it, say write me a story on, you open, paste, and you close. Then, depending, maybe the platform you are submitting it on, let's say, is 500 words stories that they accept. So you tell ChatGPT that it should give you a 500 word story of, okay, okay. So now you say, let the story be within 500 to 700 words, depending on the number of words that is accepted on the website that you are submitting the story. Okay, so you click on enter, and ChatGPT will do the work for you and even tell you the number of words. Okay, so you can say this is a 640 word short story based on your premise. And now you can see the man who brought back his childhood. This is it. So what do you do next? It's still writing. You can see um, when Elias Marrow sold his software company, congratulations flooded in from strangers, silence from those who mattered, and money had a way of magnifying distance. Okay, he spent the first week staring at the ceiling. You can see. So this is it. Um, so this is it. What do we do next? We copy this story we copy this story and we go to our Google Doc. Okay, go to our Google Doc and paste this story. I'm not logged in here, so I can't use Google Doc here. Okay, so this is incognito mode. But you go to your Google Doc and you format the story. After you've done formatting the story, the next thing you have to do is you click on download as PDF. Most of these sites accept majorly PDF. Okay, first I forgot to add something to the prompt I gave ChatGPT. So now you tell it, let me tell you something. On this first prompt that we have here, always make sure that you include that ChatGPT should write the story like a human. So you tell it, let's say, humanize this content. Okay, so you can see now when it's done doing this, what you need to do is to copy it. Okay, so when you copy it, now come to your browser again, you search AI content, free AI content humanizer. You're going to see a lot of, you can use Grammarly to humanize your content, but there's something I like doing. Most times I don't even like using any external software to humanize my content. To humanize my content, the best form of humanizing your content is actually reading the story by yourself. Do you understand? And using your hand to change some of the English. Let's say where they put a particular sentence with Oyibo tone, you can use your normal English the way you speak it naturally to change these things, remove all these dashes. You can see, remove all these dashes because most of these dashes is majorly AI that uses it. Okay, so you try as much as possible to remove these dashes. Anywhere you see this dash, you remove it and you put comma there. All right, so depending, anywhere you see, you can see he was his, this one, the one that don't need it, you remove it. Okay, so you can see, you just write, let your story just flow. When you are done doing it, when you go to Google Doc to format this content, remember what you need to do is you first write, put this and give it title. Okay, you center it, you make it bold, and by the end of the content you give it, you put the name of the writer there. Okay, so the name of the writer can just be, let's say, it can be a pen name. It must not be your original name. It can be a pen name. Pen name is, some writers write books without you knowing that they're actually the ones that wrote the book. They use a different name, so you can use an English name as the pen name. Okay, it must not be your name. So when you are done with this, you download it as a PDF. After you've done downloading it as a PDF, you go back to the website where you wrote this content for, and you submit it there. Then you keep checking your email to actually see if they accepted your content. You submit your account details for payment. So basically, this is it. All right, so that is that about the 5 websites where you can write short stories and get paid. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. And if you would love to connect with me on other social media platforms that is outside of YouTube, you can reach out to me on Facebook, Okaformarycynthiakafy, on Instagram, Learn with Cynthia. Okay, on Instagram, Learn with Cynthia. Then you can as well join my Telegram community, Internet Wealth with Cynthia, where I share lots of educative values about internet marketing, make money online, and other opportunities that can help you land good remote jobs online. Okay, the link to that is in the description. And if you're a brand that have any product that is going to benefit my make money online, digital skills, and remote job audience, and you need my service to create a video for you or promote any of your platform, you can let me know. You can reach out to me. My email is on the description of this video. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've subscribed to my channel. If you have not, I don't know what you're waiting for. I've already given you lots of value, and I see no reason why you shouldn't subscribe to my channel and share this video. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post more videos like this one you just watched, YouTube will notify you instantly. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know the country that you're watching from in the comment section: Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, US, or anywhere at other you're watching from. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.